Hello everyone and welcome back to another session here at Candles Before Cubicles. This is actually not a trading session. The markets are closed right now. This is more of a strategy refinement session. So I am shifting to large caps as of now, and the idea is simple. I just want to see how are these, how do these move. What do their movement usually look like over certain section of time? Can I trust them? How does that goes along with Nifty? All of these things. So yeah, it can be boring session for some people, but I have been wanting to do this for some time, so I'm gonna do this. Let me know if you guys notice something or have any opinions about things that I'm seeing or discussing, and we can have a conversation regarding that. So the first one for me is ONGC naturally. These are the stocks that I would be trading, so I should be aware of what they do. So you have ONGC 3.45 trillion. That's ONGC. Okay. Watermark is officially very distracting. I am taking it off. It was looking good for Nika, but yeah, it was distracting. I'm just gonna reset the price scale here. I just want to see like a general follow through. These are 15-minute candles. So if you see some sort of movement, it should transform to certain movement in the next candle. Hopefully 15-minute is the right scale. So far, I am liking what I see here. I don't have a problem with like intraday reversion or anything. I just want to see follow throughs in the next candles. So how far should I look? I suppose I should take a look for a couple of months at least. I will just do one more thing. I can just sync the date range. That will bring the 5 minutes chart in the picture. Okay, so this movement was fairly distributed, so capturable. 296.60, 295.50. These are all basically dead days, more or less. I'm also liking volume. This kind of volume will allow me to scale up comfortably. We have 302.10 goes all the way till 299.50, 301, 302.299, so almost 3 rupees. And quite a steady movement without without any crazy whips. Doable. Now I'm quite liking ONGC. So if there is a proper hammer pattern, then I need to be careful around the low of the day basically. This is still is a good part. But I mean I'm most likely would not have traded this since this is above VWAP. This one on the other hand, this 280.05. 282.10, 10.75, 280.80. How much was the initial movement? 283. Okay. This probably wouldn't have landed on my radar anyway. Mhm. Mhm. Again, all of these are like, these are all 1 rupee movers, so I wouldn't be interested in these. Now this should be big. 294.35, even this, I don't know. 290, open was here, right? 294.35. Yeah, could be interested. Fairly good downward movement. This one I probably would have missed. Alright, 2.304.80. Okay, not much movement there. That was the month of May. Then let's say March, 2nd March. I probably will lose here. Almost most definitely I'll lose here. Really, I mean, depends. This is how much movement. 280.45, 280.15. I would be right on the edge. I don't know if I would go in. It is this candle, right? Yeah, it was a forced candle. It just pulled off. I don't know. I mean, I do not blindly enter. I like to see it, some movement. That's why I am not able to capture a whole lot in those. For example, maybe I'll enter around here to it 1.35. Okay, next is RVNL. Sorry, RVNL. This is 525 billion. What the hell happened with the watermark? Then I Didn't I fix the watermark? Especially in editing, where with watermark it would be very visible in shots editing. And I rather that do not happen. Man, it's like really, really hard to get people on shots. There's RVNL. My boy. Probably entered here, 256.56, 255.25, 256. Almost 1 rupee. So one it would have triggered. Probably my stop loss would be around here. There was a chance for me to like cover this. 5.35, 2 point, yeah, maybe 2-3 rupees. I mean, it would had me for like couple of hours, but there was a chance. Yeah, with RVNL, things are, I don't know. I mean, they're kind of okayish, I suppose. Two nine nine point eight zero, 298.25. At least these are like preventable fake outs. Like I would know not to enter. The wick is very small. I mean, in this, I suppose 1 million isn't that much of a big deal. Okay, not much to see here. Tata Cap, Tata Cap 1.32 trillion.